Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make $300 a day on ClickBank, and that can be even more. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So the very first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to ClickBank and choose a niche. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and let's jump right into my computer and choose a niche. Okay, so when you land on clickbank.com, and if you don't see this red thing on right there, you click on Marketplace and you will land just on there. So as you can see, there are a ton of different niches that you can choose from, whether it's parenting and families. If we choose that one, you'll have a ton of different offers right there. So what you can do is you can sort by gravity. So if you have popularity right there, you choose by gravity, and these are the products that will have the most, you will have the most chance of selling, because what gravity is where people just, when they click on it, that's the ones that sell the best. So you see it has a gravity of 20.79, and you only get $41, but you can choose. This one has 219 and it still has a good gravity. So you just have to choose any one. So again, you can go right back there and choose any niche that you have. So if you like playing games, I suppose there's some video games in there that can help you out a bunch. There's a ton of different products that you have. So just choose something that you know about, so at least a little bit, and then you can sort by gravity. So when you have gravity, that means that the product is selling well. So obviously you want to look at how good it is, because if you don't look at how good it is, then like if you have education right there, you can click on there, and this is just completely unscripted. So if any of these you have some interest in it, then what you do is you click on there. So that will tell you exactly, like, that is what the clients will see. So you just have to look at if it's very interesting, if it's not. And if it is, all you have to do is click that promote button, and that will give you a link. So if you do promote, and then you create a hop link. So it's very simple. That will give you a link, and you have a product and you have a niche, which is very important. So with that being said, you're going to be able to see my face right back again. So once you've done that, what you're going to have to do, you've chosen your niche, you've chosen your product. Now you want to make a YouTube channel or a blog. This is just what's going to happen. You're going to have to choose to do that, because if you don't, it's going to be very hard to drive any traffic, especially if you have no money. So what you do is you're going to talk about whatever surrounds that product. So if you're in the fitness niche, teach people how to lose weight, teach people all these things, and then have the product that is promoted to them, because you want to have a high ticket product, just like we said, because this is what is going to make you some money. So at first, what you want to do is just grow your YouTube channel or your blog and just give people as much value as possible. Just like I'm doing now, just give people value more and more and more, because that is how you're going to grow your channel. And you have to be very consistent on what you're doing, because if you're not consistent, this is not going to help you at all. So how we're going to do this is just like I'm going to show you right now. So let's dive right back into my computer once again. So this is what it's going to look like. So first of all, you're going to have to create some YouTube videos, or a blog, doesn't matter, and that's how you're going to get traffic. So people will land on your videos or on your blog posts, and you'll be creating so much value in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to give them a free ebook. You're going to tell them in all of your blog posts and all your videos that there is a free ebook in the description and that they can have that for free, obviously, because it's a free ebook. So you write that ebook and you have that, but they have to opt in first. So you're going to have an opt-in page, or a landing page. It doesn't matter what you want to call it. So when they land on your YouTube video, they click on the link and they get sent straight to the opt-in page, okay? And that means that they have to put in at least their email address, and if you want to, you can ask them for their names as well. But it really depends on what you want to do. Some people like to do that, some people don't. It's really up to you. So once they land on the opt-in page, obviously they're going to have the free ebook that's going to be sent to them automatically, because that's what they asked for. You're going to have that free ebook. So, but not only that, but they'll be put in that on that email list, which we're going to talk about later on. But first, you're going to send them by email their ebook, and after that, you're going to send them on a bridge page, and that's a video about you. Or if you're making YouTube videos, it has to be a video. If you're making blog posts, it can be just a blog post, and that's going to be talking about the product that you want to promote. So that's why you have to choose a product that you really like, that you want to promote, that you think is a good product, because you're going to talk about it and tell people why it's that good, okay? So that's called a bridge page, because it's just you talking about the product. And then you're going to tell them at the end of that there is someone that's going to talk about their product, and these are the people that made the product. So you're going to send them right there onto the sales page. And that sales page is on ClickBank. That's the one that you clicked on if you wanted to know more about the product that I told you that the client was going to see that page. So that's the page that you're going to send them to, and that's where they will buy the product if they are interested. Now, a lot of the people won't be interested at first, so they won't buy right there. A certain percent of the people will buy, obviously, that's why you made it, but some people will not buy it. A lot of people say that you need 7 exposures to a certain product before you actually buy it. So that's why you don't want to put it right there at the link of your YouTube video or on your blog, because you have all that thing that's warming them up. But some people will still not buy from you. So that's why you have them on your email list. So what you're going to do is you're going to send them another email. Maybe it's just going to be sending back to a blog post that they could be interested in, or a YouTube video, or something else. Just not trying to spam people, just helping them out in whatever niche you are. So, you know, helping them with fitness or whatever it is, if you're into fitness or something like that. So you have that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have them send straight back to an offer once again, and that can be the same offer that you had right there. You just have to send them back again, and you can do that over and over and over again, because you're going to send them value, offer, value, offer. The best is to have 2 value videos and then 1 offer. That's kind of what most people say it works, like most successful people do that. But I've seen some people that are very successful and just send offers all the time, but you have to do that in a clever way and not spamming people. So, with that being said, let's jump right back to my face. So this was my video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.